persons. Here, nothing but the physical distance. We should, if someone is coming very near to us also, it's our responsibility to tell the opposite person to stand a little bit back. And we have to come back. So there is a first thing where because of the closureness, because of the getting together is also there is a chance of getting affected. So next one is mask. We need to cover our face with the help of mask. Right? With our dirty hands we are not supposed to touch our face or our mask. Why? Because unnecessarily we think many things will touch the things, so that whatever germs will be present on that, by mistake also we will, fortunately or unfortunately, we will touch our mask, face. So make sure that your hand should not touch your face. Now, last one is a soap or sanitizer. So whenever you are touching the things, right, please immediately you have to wash your hands. And at home you can use the soap, you can use any soap. Please at home, whenever you are at home, please do not use the sanitizer. When you are going out, then only you use the sanitizer, or else no need. Right? No. In the previous class we have discussed about the first lesson, that is about the reading of maps. I hope you all understood that. Right? Now moving to the next lesson, that is about energy from the sun. What is the energy? What is the energy? We require some stamina to do the work. Yes or no? Now at home you are eating, you are jumping, you are reading, writing, everything, all the activities you are doing at home. To do that all activities, what you require? You require the energy. To require the energy means what you have to do? You have to take the healthy food. Right? In the same way here, the energy from the sun. For giving the energy to us, the sun requires any food? No. Why? Because the sun is a natural object where it gives the light and heat to us. What sun gives to us? Heat and light. Right? Now in this chapter we will discuss whenever the sun rays are falling on the earth, how it is vary from the one place to another place, how the sun rays will be how the sun rays are helpful for us in different ways. About this we are going to read. I hope you all are ready with the textbook and pencil and underline the important times whenever the lesson reading is going on. Right? The energy on which we live is full of diversity. Already in the previous classes we have learned the different landforms. Different landforms. What are different landforms here? The landforms which are made by the nature itself. What are the examples of this? Mountains, plains, plateaus. So these are and many more. These all will come under the different landforms. Now here, whenever the sun rays are falling on the earth, now everywhere the landforms are different? No. And the whole surface of the area is covered only with the mountains? Not like that. Only with the rivers? Not like that. So here, when we are moving from the one place to another place, we can see different types of landforms. There are mountains, plains, plateaus, rivers, forests. Right? Now, how it was changed, how different forms are changed, and what will be the temperature when we are moving from the place to place, we'll read in this lesson. Right? Now, what is the temperature? What is temperature? Now, just now I told you that when we are moving from the one place to another place, the temperature will be changing. What is the temperature here? The temperature, climate, everything gets changed. Right, better? What is the temperature? It says about the heat or cold, which measures the heat or the cold. Now suppose if we get the fever, where we will go? We go to the doctor. If we have the fever, what the doctor will keep in our mouth? Thermometer. Right? We keep the thermometer in our mouth. And here, in this thermometer, one liquid will be there, that is a mercury. this, we can see the small measurements. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here like this, you can see the measurements of the thermometer. Now, for the small children, the doctor will keep the thermometer under the arms. For us, for the elder people, they keep the thermometer in our mouth. And nowadays, we are getting different machines to test the temperature of the body also. Now, this temperature. Now, normally the body, the temperature of the normal person will be 98 degrees. Right? If it is more than 98 degrees, like 99 or 100, then we are having the fever. If it is normal, if it is 96, 97 means our temperature is normal. We don't have any fever. So, with the help of the temperature, which temperature is nothing but it says about the heat or the coldness. Right? Now, in the same way, if we have the fever, the temperature will be increasing. If we don't have the temperature, temperature will not increase. It will be normal. I hope you have understood this, right? Now, how the temperature will be different on the earth? But when you visit your villages, you can see the natural beauty. Right? The sun rays are natural. The air is natural. The land is also a natural. So these all things are made by the nature for us. Where to improve the fertility of the land, to get the good crops. Right? So in the same way here, in your textbook, page number 19 here, you can see the greenhouse effect. What is the greenhouse effect here? Greenhouse is nothing but creating the artificial environment for the growth of plants. What is a greenhouse? Greenhouse is nothing but creating artificial environment or environment for growth of plants. So here you people can observe that better even in your villages also most of the farmers are suffering as they don't have the proper rainfalls to grow the food, they don't have the proper financial support to grow the plants, they can't afford to get the more pesticides. So here in this situation the farmer is unable to provide the more number of food for the people. So in this regard what we are doing, we are creating the artificial environment. So in your textbook you can see, right, in your page number 19 here you can see that where the whole, they will take the one very big open land and they will create the artificial environment there by building the huge classes, all the four sides, and even the roof also will be directly made with the glasses where the emission of the light rays will fall inside this closed pad. Right? Now in this, these all are made with the glasses. Now in this we can see the sun rays will directly fall in this, and when the sun rays are directly falling in this, again there is no chance of going outside. Here I will read out this. Now interestingly, human societies have tried to grow crops everywhere by creating the artificial environment for plants. Now here even in our surroundings also the person is having a very huge building. On the terrace also you can see where they will cover all the four sides with the green color cloth. Yes, now inside that we can see the people are growing the different types of plants, and some people they will grow different like spinach, like coriander, they will grow at home and they will use. So this we grow vegetables and fruits in very cold regions by building the green houses. Now in this greenhouse we can grow the fruits as well as vegetables. Now these buildings are made with the transparent roofs and walls which allow heat to come but not to escape. Now here the sun rays will enter inside this room. Inside this transparent. Now transparent means here in our class we are having the fiber glasses for the windows. Right? Now such type of glasses will be fixed all the four four sides, and even the roof also will be arranged, and the sun rays will fall directly inside this room, but there is no chance of going out. Now we create marshy environments for crops like paddy by irrigating the fields. Now we are concentrating more on the fruits and vegetables with the help of the greenhouse. So the other food crops will be grown in the irrigation fields. In open land we can be able to do that. Why? Because paddy is a crop where it requires a more amount of water. The plants which do not require the more amount of water, example, the different fruits will be there and the vegetables. The things can be grown in the greenhouse, and most of the important crops like food crops will be grown in the open land. I hope you have understood about the greenhouse. Greenhouse is nothing but an artificial environment for the growth of plants, where the sun rays will fall in this room, where this room is made with the transparent glass all the four sides, and whenever the sun rays are falling inside the greenhouse, and there is no chance of going or escaping. So here mostly we can see for the growth of the food. I hope you have understood this. Now next, when the sun rays are falling on the earth, when the sun rays are falling on the earth, is known as, this is a sun. When the sun rays are falling on the earth, is known as solar radiation. I hope you understood it. When the sun rays are falling on the earth, this is the sun and this is the earth, is known as solar radiation. When the earth absorbs the heat and releases heat, is known as radiation. Right? Here is in the page number 19. The sun, solar energy and the sun rays. The sun is the principal source of energy on the earth's surface. It is like a powerhouse which generates and gives out the energy in the form of light and heat. The sun is giving the energy to us in the form of light and heat. In the presence of sun, we can see the brightness and we can feel very hot, mostly in the summer season. In all the seasons also we can see, but as the changes taken place in the seasons, there will be the heat and light energy will be produced. This energy which is constantly emitted by the sun is known as constant emitted, means when the sun rays are falling directly on our earth continuously. In the early morning we can observe them. So that we call as the solar radiation. When a body gives out energy is called radiation. Right? When the body, now the sun rays are falling on the one particular body. When the heat is coming out from the particular body is known as the radiation. So the energy produced by the sun comes to us in the form of sun rays. Now here, when the sun rays are falling on the earth, here we can see different types of rays like ultraviolet rays, or UV rays, next radio waves, and X-rays from the sun which we can either feel nor see. So here how we can't able to see the air, in the same way the rays which are emitted by the sun, those rays also we can't able to see with our naked eye. Right? I hope you have understood this. When the energy, when the sun is falling on the earth, sun rays are falling on the earth is known as the solar radiation. The heat which is given by the earth releasing is known as the radiation. So here moving to the next topic, that is about the sun rays and the earth's surface. Now before going to start the sun rays and the earth's surface, here the sun is giving the 100% radiation to us. The sun is giving the 100% when the sun is giving the 100% rays on the earth, we can able to take that. If the sun rays are directly falling on us, we can able to live, we can able to survive on the earth. What about the plants, what about the animals, what about the water bodies? Those all will dry and we people also will be no more. So here, the sun rays are not, even though there is a good environment, good nature in our surroundings, how it is possible? Here, 100% rays are not falling on the earth, right? Now there is a great distance between the sun and the earth. Right? Now here, when the sun is not giving the 100%. Now in between, in the traveling of the sun rays, where the different percentage, where the different amount of the sun rays are vanished, where they are disappearing. About this we are going to do in the next class. I hope you have understood that. Now before going to that, please take the homework. Your homework will be read page 18, 19 from textbook. I hope you have understood. Please be safe at home and follow the instructions given by the school, and please be in touch with your studies. Thank you.